In today's work environment, integration plays a vital role in making tools work seamlessly together. PlatoForms offer a powerful integration feature to enhance your PDF forms and your workflows. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to get started. PlatoForms currently supports direct integration with 9 tools as shown here. One of these is Zapier, which connects with nearly 8,000 apps. Many PlatoForms can indirectly integrate with thousands of tools through these apps. In this video, I will show you how to set up an integration using Zapier. First, click on Zapier. You will see a list of tools that PlatoForms can connect with. For this example, I'm going to choose Slack. You will notice a popular workflow option here, post Slack channel messages for new PlatoForm submissions. This means whenever someone submits your form, you will receive a message in Slack. Click Use this workflow to continue. It will take you to the Zapier page where most of the setup is already done. If you haven't used Zapier before, you may need to connect your account first. Next, select the form you want to get notification from. For example, I want to receive a send message whenever someone submits the demo request form. Then click Continue. Now click Text Trigger. And you will see it rolls a recent record. Great! Now that the PlatoForms part is done, let's move on to the Slack side. First, the same. Connect your Slack account. Then choose whether you want to send a channel message or a direct message. And of course, there are plenty of other actions you can choose from as well. In this case, I will choose Send Direct Message and send the recipient to myself. I'm Katie. Customize the message in the message text field as needed. Example, form name, data name, and submit form URL. For this demo, I will leave the other settings as they are. Once you're happy with everything, click Continue and test it. If it works as expected, click Publish. Let's give it a test. For example, the user submitted form. Look, I just received the Slack message. Amazing, right? Give it a try and start building your own workflow.